If you are watching this video, you must be someone who loves money. And if you love money and want to achieve bigger things in life, then you are at the right place. In this case study, we will talk about the basic differences between trading and investing. For many of you, trading and investing are both similar things. But these two are very different concepts. If you are a new trader or a new investor, this video is a must-watch for you to know what you are. A question may rise in your head: why do I have to understand both concepts before becoming a trader or investor? Remember one thing: learning is earning. If you are eager to become a good trader or good investor, understand the concepts. Trading is a short-term concept, while investing is a long-term concept. While trading is something that requires a good knowledge of market trends, investing is a visionary project. A trader has to deal all day to understand the trends in the market and make movements based on the trends. On the other hand, an investor has to wait for the right time to invest or sell in stock. Let us take the example of two persons A and B. A is an investor who is going to invest $1 million in a portfolio. After deciding on the portfolio, A has a spare $200,000 left for investing in another company. He has two options. The first one is a fintech company that is growing by 5% each year. On the other hand, the second company is a cigarette company that is growing by 15% a year. Both companies have had similar risks for the past few days. If you ask a rational person who understands basic mathematics, where would they invest in? Most of them will invest in the second company's share that is providing larger growth every year, but A chooses the fintech investment over the cigarette manufacturer to invest in. A is more likely to buy the stocks of a fintech company rather than buying the stocks of a cigarette manufacturing company. The question is why? The reason is simple. A is a smart investor who knows that the fintech industry will grow rapidly in the next decade. He has also seen the devastating effects of smokers in the era of COVID-19. He understands that people are likely to reduce smoking over the years. Also, as this is an industry working against public health, the business may get hampered for obvious reasons. What we understand here is, investment is not something that will provide you value after 3 days or 3 months. Investment is the game of visionaries. Investing will bring you good fortune in the long term when short-term profit makers may fall. When a trader decides on the technical part of investing, an investor makes decisions based on vision and fundamental analysis. On the other hand, B is a trader who is less patient and likes to grow money faster. B is like a sprinter who understands how to make faster profits. If we take the stock of the similar two companies, B will rather buy the stocks of the second company. The question again rises: why? B is a smart trader. He knows that the second company is providing growth more than 3 times more than the fintech company. B also knows that though the tobacco industry faces many difficulties to grow, it will not vanish in a few days. It is a large industry and it will take time to decline in the future. So B invests in the stocks of the cigarette company and waits for the price to grow more and more. When the price of the stock reaches a higher point from which it is likely to fall, B sells the shares of the tobacco company and buys different shares. This example is a perfect one to understand the basic differences between a trader and an investor. Now the question arises, what should you go for? Investing in stocks or trading with stocks, whatever you do, depends on the stage of your career. If you are a wealthy individual with a good regular income and have a lot of spare money to make higher profits, then you should become an investor. But if you are not a wealthy individual and do not possess large investments, you might go for trading. Still, these are only opinions. It's your choice and your guts that will tell you what to do. Trade or invest.